Samsung hates notch or the motorized parts, and we all know that. They have made fun of Apple in their Ingenious series and Google on Twitter. But is this the only thing Samsung can do? I mean, making fun of other manufacturers? Of course not. The Korean giant has been working to achieve this design, and today it looks like the next S series phone may look like this. Samsung held the 2018 OLED Forum at Shenzhen where they discussed about their upcoming plans. The plans are to make everything in-screen. The FOD is fingerprint on display technology, which is now known to everybody out there, and Samsung will be implementing this for the first time on the Galaxy S10. The UPS is under panel sensor technology, which will help the company to place all the sensors inside the display so that you'll not be having any black bug on the screen of your smartphone. This will be achieved by using a transparent display technology, which we have talked about in the past. The third HOD is haptic-on display technology, which should be similar to the Apple Staptic engine, and it will make the display more responsive so that you will be able to feel every touch on the screen. Last but not the least SOD is sound-on display technology. With this, you'll not need any actual speaker grill on the top of the display. Instead, the sound will come from the display and it will be loud and clear with no compromises. Now, what are the chances of the Galaxy S10 having all these technologies? I'm not sure. Considering this presentation is being given so late in the year, I'm kinda not expecting it though, unless they are already in full-scale production of the technology. But at the same time, we can expect S10 to get all these upgrades as Samsung finalizes the S series phones designs in the December, and when the CEO of Samsung said recently that the S10 will sport a major design change, he probably meant that. The company has to do something very special with their 10th anniversary S series phone, so I'm just having good hopes on the S10 to sport a full screen design. And yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.